XetHub is a version control system purpose-built for machine learning data and models. We're like GitHub for machine learning. In this video, we'll showcase how to create a XetHub repo, mirror data from S3 into the repo, and run queries against the data in under 2 minutes. First, let's confirm that the AWS CLI is authenticated with our account. Now, we'll make a XetHub repo straight from the command line named Tracking the Sun that lives within my user namespace Srini. New repos only contain the main branch by default, which we can see here. Now we're ready to copy datasets from S3 into our XetHub repo that we just created using the ZCP command. Since we want to copy a directory, make sure to add the -r flag. Our repo is ready to go. Let's run ls to view the contents of our repo. Now we can run zmount to virtually mount all the files and folders within our repo locally. This lets us explore the data without having to download all of it to our machine first. Next, let's navigate 2 folders down and fire up the duckdb console. Using the magical read Parquet function from duckdb, you can run SQL queries against Parquet files, and behind the scenes, just the data that's needed is scanned and returned to your machine. Let's try running a second query. Looks like we made it just under the 2-minute cutoff that we promised. If you want to replicate this video yourself, check out the blog post in the video description that describes this step by step. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.